Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I just wanted to get on here and talk about my journey with hair loss. Now, I don't know if you can see it, but hold on. Like, my hair is very, very, very thin. And I think I'm going to continue the video sitting down here because it just, sorry about the background. Okay, so it started, I'm just going to start from the beginning because I feel like this is information that people need to know because I didn't know it. So I'm going to say about a year and a half ago, I went to the doctor for another reason, not for my hair loss, but I noticed I was losing a lot of hair, a lot of hair. And I could see it thinning. And I was having some other issues. Actually, I was getting hives every single day. It was very bizarre. So I went to my doctor and she did blood work. And thank God, because at the very last second, she's like, I want to check your vitamin D level. So I go to get the blood work done, and the lady that's doing the blood work is like, I don't think that your insurance is going to pay for them to check your vitamin D. Do you want to go ahead and do it? And I almost didn't do it. So, but then I was like, no, you know what? I need to do it. And I get my blood work back and my vitamin D, I don't know, God, I wish I could remember the level, but it was like really, really low, really low. And I don't know if you can tell because I have makeup on. Oh God, I look horrible. But I have brown, like you can see one right there, brown patches on my skin. And I'm thinking that that's linked to the vitamin D. So anyways, let's go back to the hair loss. So when I went in to get the checkup done, and she told me, she's like, you're vitamin D deficient. She's like, your vitamin D is very low. And she's like, you haven't been having any symptoms. And the symptoms were like fatigue and I think cold hands and feet. I'm not for sure, but I will list them down below. And I'm like, I've been losing hair, a lot of hair. And she's like, yeah, that's one of the symptoms. You need to start a supplement. So I did a lot of research. The two are connected. Shortly after that, I got pregnant. So I discontinued the vitamin D use because of my doctor told me to discontinue it and to just take a prenatal. So I did that, and I don't know if you know, but when you're pregnant, you don't lose hair. I don't know if that has any correlation to do. I don't know if it's the same if you're vitamin D deficient, but I know when I was pregnant, I didn't lose that much hair. So my daughter's 5 months old. And when I tell you, I have been losing so much hair, you guys, I'm scared I'm going to go bald. Like, you really can't see because I just took a shower and I put like all my hair products in, but my hair is so thin. And I feel like I'm losing all my hair. So right after I had my daughter, I started taking my vitamin D. It has 5,000 UIs. Don't ask me what that means. And in order to absorb it better, you should take it in conjunction with vitamin K. So I take D3 and vitamin K2, I think it is. And I also do other things to promote my hair to grow. I use a couple hair masks. I try not to which I mean, I obviously have to like curl it. I didn't do anything to it today. I just put my products in it and left it like this because I knew I was going to do the video. But I try not to put heat on it. I don't sleep with it in a ponytail. I sleep with it in a braid. I don't wash it often. I wash it like once a week. I'll tell you other products that I use. Okay, so for my hair mask that I use twice a week, I use castor oil. Castor oil is very, very good to promote hair growth. So is aloe vera gel. So I do a combination, and it's very thick, castor oil is. So I do a combination of castor oil, aloe vera gel, and I heat it up in a pan with a little bit of honey. And I put that, I saturate my scalp with it, and I massage it in. So it's heated up. It's a hot oil treatment. Massage it for like 10 to 15 minutes, and then I hang my head over the toilet to promote blood flow into the cells and the hair follicles to make them grow. And I'll sit there for about 5 minutes still massaging my hair. And then I have to wash, I wash it and I condition it. And okay, so let me go backtrack. So do you see this? So I dyed my hair right after I had the baby, and I do it, the way I do it is, I normally have white hair. I will do it I'll only leave it on there for 30 minutes, and then with a 20 volume developer, if anybody doesn't know what that is, it's just, so I'll leave it on there for 30 minutes, and I miss some spots. So, but what I would do was I would do another treatment, bleaching treatment, like a few days later, because it's better on your hair. Well, I just noticed how much hair I was losing, and I was like, I cannot put any more bleach on this. Like, I'm gonna go bald. So I've been walking around with my hair like this. Yeah, and like look at this. My hair's, no, I don't do that. But I'm so scared to touch it with anything. But I will say, like, what I've been doing is working, because do you see like the baby hairs growing back? And like, the thing I wanted to bring awareness to is that vitamin D deficiency is so common. It's so common because we don't go outside enough. We don't really get vitamin D from nutrition in our food. So, I mean, when you can, go outside, get sunshine, get your vitamin D. But, a vitamin D supplement, if you're feeling like tired all the time, I think constipation was one of them. I'll have to go, I'll put all the symptoms down there. But if you're struggling from women's hair loss, I would strongly suggest that you go and you get tested for what your vitamin D levels are, because I would have never known. And I'm wondering, like, is it connected to something else? Like, why is my vitamin D this low? But yeah, I just wanted to hop on here and just tell y'all about my journey, and I'm gonna keep vlogging about it, and hopefully when I'm doing works, I'll get on here and I'll show you guys my mask I use, my shampoos, I do use a root lifter, I use thickening serum. Yeah, so yeah, that's pretty much it. Forgive me if this video sucks. This is my first video, but I'm gonna get better. And hit that like and subscribe button and follow me on my journey. Thanks. Bye, guys.